As hard as it may sounds on, your account has been suspended for Google as circumventing system error is one of the toughest, suspension you can get while you are running your campaign on Google Ads. The other second is egregious violation. I have seen. Number third is unacceptable business practice policy. Your account is suspended for suspicious payment. So these are few of the famous uh, errors for which your Google Ads account can be suspended. But today I'm going to talk about another case study regarding your account has been suspended for circumventing system error. And it is a very tough moment for us and as well, especially for a client. Just imagine as a client who has running ads for some time and suddenly they get a suspension error, because once you get a suspension or a error on your account, your whole marketing strategy gets to pause on. And while your strategy is paused on, your other staff members who are dependent or looking for those services also get suspended, or they are also getting hold. Why? Because none of the business is able to work because you are not able to get traffic. So as I can understand, so this video is regarding circumventing system account restoration. So what we did, I'm going to tell you in this video. If you ask me the total time frame it took, so it took around 35 to 40 days. 35 to 40 days is a huge time for any account, any client, for them whose their ads are being stopped. So I can understand that is a very painful process. The second is the niche. The niche was regarding online games. The niche was online games niche, and the target country was top tier countries. By top tier means it's a USA, UK, Australia, Canada, the top tier one countries. So, and if you ask me, we even the client did the advertiser verification process done. Even then, the account was suspended. So just imagine that even if you have done the advertiser verification process, and even then you still see your account suspended. It's basically you are doing some violation knowingly or unknowingly. So this was a scenario over here when we saw the client that their account has been suspended. So that was the same scenario over here. So I'm now going to show you the account and then I'm going to tell you what we did. So let's get started with me on this. But before I start and show you, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started. So here is the account, and you can see the your account is unsuspended. Your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads again. I can even do the refresh so you guys have an idea that it's all real and natural. We have done many cases regarding Google Ads since Google Ads account restoration, and this is another new case. So I just press the refresh button. You can see over here that the account is unsuspended, and you can see that protect your account from unauthorized activity. There is a new search trend. Account still needs to have conversion tracking. There is no sideling or call out extension yet on the account. Still the account is up. You can see over here that today is 14 July and we are getting the traffic. As per 13 July, we are getting the traffic. So the account is in a working state. So now the question is what exactly we did. So in our audit procedure, what we did was we figured out all the things which can cause suspension. We looked around all those errors. We have a 70 steps audit procedure, and after doing the 70 steps audit procedure, we found some issues, especially including the speed. We found the website having the speed, website have some coding issues, some UI issues. We pointed out those issues to the client, and he sorted those issues. But the client was majority of the clients are impatient. They want the accounts to get up and running, and they eventually start to lose the hope, especially after 35 to 40 days. So the process becomes very difficult for us, and we have to make the client patient. And so but thankfully we were able to get the account back. That is our win-win situation for us, and we were very happy that we got the account back. So in case if you need our service regarding any Google Ads suspension error, or even Google Ads management, Facebook Ads management, or even SEO services, me and my team can help you in getting up your account. You may be knowingly or unknowingly doing some violation on your account which can cause this suspension. Even we are even helping with Google multi-sitter account suspension and management. We even help with Google Shopping ads, SEO. So if there is any field, me and my team can help you very well. So what you have to do is to click on the link in the description, because our details are mentioned in the description of this video on how you can reach with us. So I hope it answers the question, and I'm very helpful to my team because it's a team effort that we were able to get the account back. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.